Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge two documents in Google Docs quickly and easily. Let's begin. First, open up your favorite browser, right? I have Chrome. Open up Google Drive, and once you're there, click on the settings icon right over here, all right? Then click on settings again. Over here, click on Manage Applications, and then connect more apps. A search bar or search box will appear. Type merge and just hit enter and look up for an application called Merge Google Documents. This one. Click on it, click on install, and press continue. You know, scroll down, just make sure to select continue and select everything. Click on continue once more, and you're basically done. Just click on OK, close everything, go back to Google Drive, right? You can refresh just to make sure. And from here, these are the documents I would like to merge. Click on the three dots, open with, and you will now have the option to select Merge Google Documents. Then select files from Google Drive, right? So I'm going to choose another file, for example, this one. Select Continue, and it only shows two documents added. It's being stated here. If you want to add more, just simply select your drive and choose those documents. Once done, you can now click on Merge Documents and Spreadsheets. This might take a few seconds. And it shows in here it's done. You can now view your documents, or you can go back and it should now be over here. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.